Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button to detach the battery from the main body. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the battery while pressing the button. Once removed, set the old battery aside. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors on the vacuum. Slide it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely attached. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the right battery for your model. With the new battery in place, it's time to clean the internal components of your Dyson V8. Use the soft cloth to wipe down the connectors and any dust that may have accumulated inside. This will help maintain optimal performance. Next, let's reassemble the vacuum. If you had to remove any screws during the battery replacement, use your T15 Torx screwdriver to secure them back in place. Ensure all screws are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic casing. Once everything is secured, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure the new battery is functioning correctly. If the vacuum does not power on, double-check the battery connection and ensure it is seated properly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Our service includes no calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. Finally, if you encounter any issues or have questions about your Dyson V8, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacement can significantly extend the life of your vacuum cleaner, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.